Good morning, everybody. You are in science. It's day 3. It's Wednesday, April 29th. So yesterday I had a little bit of a hiccup on here. My pictures didn't show up for all of our slides. So we're just going to post them today again. And I'm hoping that you guys have figured out how to get this chapter review on the assignment page. I know that some of you guys said you didn't, so I'm going to show you guys again how to do that. So let's get started with our work today. We're going to read this first. I can construct an explanation of relationship between air pressure fronts and air masses and how they impact the formation of meteorological events such as thunderstorms and tornadoes. So for your mini lesson today, you need to understand how to find your review. So you simply go up here, click Activities, click Assignments, and then you'll scroll down and it'll be right here, Understanding Weather Review Guide. There'll be something else right here and you guys are going to be able to click it and get it. And it'll be, here, I'll show you guys. This is what it'll look like on your page, just like this. And you'll click this document and you'll be able to download it and pull it up, and you should be able to type on it too. If you cannot get this, I will show you today what you need to be writing down at home. So let's go back to our page. Let's see. Guys, my doggie is snoring in the background, so if you hear her, I apologize. She's silly. Okay, so if we go back to our page and we scroll down, you're going to be following along with the slides, okay? So I will make sure these slides are up today. Don't know why they didn't show up yesterday, but I'll show you what you need to copy down. So on number 1 of the review, it says, what is the difference between condensation and precipitation? So I have a little picture here for you, and it shows you what condensation is, and it shows you what precipitation is. And then if you scroll down here, you'll see condensation and precipitation. This is sort of what your review page looks like. And in bold is what I want you to copy down. I want you to write down on a piece of paper, condensation is when a gas changes into a liquid and forms a cloud. Precipitation is when the liquid in the cloud falls to the ground. Rain, snow, sleet, and hail. I want you to write these down on a piece of paper. You can use them for your test. It's super important that you have them. Then this is what number 2 is on the review. What is the difference between an air mass and an air front? Well, I've given you both definitions, and in bold, this is what I want you to write down on your piece of paper. An air mass is a large body of air that has the same moisture and temperature throughout. An air front is a boundary between the two air masses. So write this in bold is all I want you to write down. Then you'll scroll down. What is the difference between a hurricane and tornado? That's number 3 on your review. I've given you the definitions to read, and then I want you to write this down either on a piece of paper, or if you have printed this out, you'll see, look, the difference between a hurricane and tornado. It's right here. And you could type it in if you can and save it. Or you could print it out if you have a printer at home. If you don't, just write down on a piece of paper, hurricane and tornado. And then write down this. A hurricane is a large rotating tropical weather system formed over the ocean. A tornado is a small rotating column of air that has high wind speed that touches the ground. As long as you guys are writing these down, you will be fine. I just want to make sure that you guys have that for a review, okay? That is really important. So you're closing. You have to take the notes from home. I am counting on you guys to do this at home. Take these notes, okay? You only have 3 of them to do today. 1, 2, and 3. So this is number 3, this is number 2, and this is number 1. Copy that down on a piece of paper and keep it where you guys know where it is so you guys can use it for the test. We'll do 3 more tomorrow, okay? Good luck.